हेलो, हाँ जी जतिन बेटा, दिव्या रानी, आपकी 15th एनिवर्सरी है। 15 साल भी हो गए हैं। मैं तो पुरानी बातें याद आ रही थी बड़ी। हम केडी ब्लॉक में रहते थे, सब कैसे आते जाते थे, बहुत याद आ रही थी आज तो मुझे। चलो बहुत बहुत मुबारक है बेटा, बहुत बहुत मुबारक है। जियो मेरे बच्चों, जियो। गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Hi Jatin and Divya, many happy returns of the day. Beta, stay always happy and smiling. You look very beautiful, Divya, when you smile. And Jatin, you are so caring. To everybody, you have a concern, to your children, to your wife, and to the family. I wish you have a very long and happy married life. God bless you.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी बेटा जतिन एंड दिव्या, गॉड ब्लेस यू। हमेशा खुश रहो, सुखी रहो, हमेशा हंसते रहो, एंजॉय करो अपनी लाइफ में। 15 साल में पहली बार 15 साल बीत गए हैं, लगता ही नहीं है कि 15 साल बीत गए हैं। मुझे तो कल की बात लगती है। पहली बार 15 साल में जतिन बेटे के साथ मैंने एंजॉय किया वरुण की शादी में। हमेशा ऐसे ही रहना, वापस फॉर्मल मत हो जाना। सब मुझे छेड़ते हैं कि दिव्या आपकी लाडली है, कहते हैं दिव्या आपकी लाडली है, पर मैं सबको कहती हूँ कि सब बच्चे बराबर होते हैं, पर कोई मानने को तैयार नहीं। पर इतनी प्यारी बेटी है तो क्यों नहीं लाडली होगी? सब कहते हैं तो ठीक ही कहते होंगे। गॉड ब्लेस यू, सब खुश रहो। हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी वंस अगेन, स्टे ब्लेस्ड ऑलवेज। गुड।
Dear Jatin and Divya, wishing both of you a very happy crystal anniversary. May your love for each other be clear and sparkling as a crystal, and may your life be full of health, happiness, and peace. May the Almighty give you the very best in your life, and both of you reach a pinnacle of success in your careers. Enjoy this day to the fullest. Cheers from both of us.
Hi,
Once
Divya.
again, a very happy anniversary.
हाँ दिव्या एंड जतिन, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी। बाकी सब डिट्टो डिट्टो जो मौसा जी ने बोला है। एंजॉय।
Jatin and Divya, wishing you a very happy anniversary.
I'm clearly not good at memorizing stuff, so I'm going to be reading out my thoughts. Divya, I can't believe it has been 15 years already when you of all friends called and told me that you're getting married. You were such a tomboy in school. Your wedding definitely was a fun and memorable event, and I'm so glad that I was able to be a part of it. I'm also really, really happy that you guys moved to San Jose and we got to know Jatin and of course your kids. You both are an amazing couple and really complement each other. Here's wishing you both all the happiness in the many, many more years to come. Happy anniversary to both of you.
A very happy anniversary, Jatin ji and Divya. Lots and lots of love.
Happy anniversary,
Happy
Didi
anniversary.
and Jeej.
15 years, wow. You guys look still, like Tom Cruise and Nicole Kidman kind. So, 15 साल मुझे तो विश्वास नहीं हो रहे हैं.
No, I think Didi is prettier than Nicole Kidman.
Yeah, but like G's and baby faces and
But Tom Cruise and Nicole Kidman got divorced. Sorry, just
हाँ नहीं.
he doesn't know
मतलब
anything.
I was only I would
उसको कुछ नहीं पता है.
only visuals, yeah, मतलब
Visuals क्या please? Listen to me. Happy anniversary, Didi and Jeej, and you guys make marriage look so easy.
Yep.
And you have
I'm
such.
sure G's was like कि हाँ इसमें मैं credit दिव्या को दे दूँ तो ठीक है.
And you have such cute little apples in your house, and we can't meet them, which we're very sad about. But I hope you have a special day and 15 more years and more years and more years to both of you. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
मुझको बरसात बना लो एक लंबी रात बना लो, अपने जज्बात बना लो जाना, मुझको अल्फाज बना लो, दिल की आवाज बना लो, गहरा सा राज बना लो जाना।
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी जतिन भैया एंड दिव्या भाभी।
जतिन दिव्या, आप लोगों को आपके विवाह की 15वीं वर्षगांठ की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आपका दिन और साल मंगलमय हो। जय हो। चीयर्स।
हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों, हाउ आर यू?
Happy anniversary, Jatin and Divya. How are you all? Have a wonderful, wonderful day and many, many years together. And we would like to see you all more often.
Okay, enough. And now I have to say the same thing. Hi Jate, hi Divya. Wish you a very happy wedding anniversary, beta. God bless you. 15 years is gone. So, but we have not spent even 15 days together. So I am missing that. Inshallah, next year we'll do it. God bless you. Take care.
Enjoy yourself.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Jatin Bhaiya, hi Bhabhi, wish you a very happy anniversary.
Wishing you a very happy anniversary ji. Have a great day and year ahead, and lots of love to the kids, and stay safe. Bye.
Hi Bhabhi.
Hi Divya Bhabhi, hi Jatin Bhai. Wish you guys a very very happy anniversary. I still remember 15 years ago when we attended the marathon wedding with the functions and the whole family together, all locked up in, staying together, visiting the functions, and at the end of the 10th day we were so tired, but it just felt so amazing, and can't wait to see you guys again.
Yeah, hopefully soon. Hopefully 2021. We have plans of celebrating this year with your 15th and Bhabhi's 10th, and soon, hopefully.
Lots of love to the kids.
Yeah.
And hope we see you guys again and see you guys soon.
Yeah.
And let's do the functions again. Let's have a little renewal of the vows with all the wedding functions with all of us there. So see you guys soon. Take care.
Yeah.
Lots of love.
Send you a tight hug.
Bye.
Bye guys.
जड्जी जरा इधर तो आना,
बेब्स बच्चों को है सुलाना।
मेरा सर है दुखता,
BMW दिला दूं,
ये कपड़े हैं गंदे,
कहो मैं धुला दूं।
कहीं घूम आए,
कितने दिन का हो तुम,
छुट्टी मिलेगी बराबर,
फिकर ना करो तुम।
बाद में गर्ल्स ट्रिप पर है जाना,
बेब जो चाहो फरमाना,
सेफोरा में शॉपिंग भी कराना,
बेब तुम्हारा है जमाना।
Wow guys, 15 years.
Congrats.
Happy anniversary to both of you. So we were thinking when Divya was young and wise, when somebody would ask her a question she didn't know, she would say, "Oh shoot." Has anything changed?
You mean when Divya was young and foolish, and when somebody asked her a question, she would say, "Oh shoot." Some things don't change. Her one-word answer has changed. And when some people ask her a question and she doesn't know the answer to, she still answers in that one word.
Only one word, yeah.
But the word has changed. 15 years does that to you guys.
Of course, it has changed. Yeah.
Let's give you an example. If somebody asks Divya, "Hey, what's going on with the California wildfires these days?"
Judgy.
Divya, where do you live? Which city are you going to be there next year? Is it Chicago? Is it San Jose? Is it Atlanta?
Judgy.
Is it Japan?
Judgy.
Hey Divya, you have such a beautiful dining table. How are you going to fit that in your house?
Judgy.
जब किचन तोड़वाया था, हाँ।
किचन नहीं तोड़वाया, डाइनिंग रूम तोड़वाया।
कुछ तो तोड़वाया था ना, घर तोड़वा दिया था, चल बच गया घर। हे दिव्या, लंच के लिए क्या करना है आज यार?
San Mateo में जब मैं थी. And
दिव्या, it's been a long day. Let's go for lunch.
Judgy,
20
please
माइल आएगा
come.
मतलब वो 20 माइल.
Yes, every day meet me for lunch.
See, that's the one word answer. Shoot changed to Judgy. Is Judgy being shot? I don't know.
Anyways,
Happy anniversary, guys.
Awesome.
Enjoy.
Hi, wish you a very, very, very happy anniversary. आगे तो बोला होता है.
Happy anniversary, बड़ी मम्मा and बड़ी पापा.
Happy anniversary, guys.
हैप्पी
15 years.
एनिवर्सरी भैया एंड भाभी.
So मेरे को यार आज सडनली याद आ रहा है कि मैं एक्चुअली 15 साल पहले आज के दिन ही सचदेवा बना था, क्योंकि 15 साल पहले मैंने आज के दिन ही सबसे पहले विस्की का घुट लिया था. Some crazy memories coming back of the great times that we've had, and specifically on this day 15 years ago. Wish you guys all the very best. You are an ideal couple for us that we look up to. Just hope that we can spend some great times together in the years to come. I'm sure 2020 is washed
अच्छा
out.
बस यार. भैया एंड भाभी, so too many memories की बातें हो रही हैं. So I think we need to create some new memories because I was not part of the wedding 15 years ago. So I definitely think we should postpone the celebrations to like 2021, and we all need to celebrate all our milestones again together. Happy anniversary.
Have a great time, guys.
Have a good
See ya.
day.
हाय दिव्या, जतिन, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी. खूब मस्ती करना बच्चों के साथ, और हमें भी खूब मिस करना. हम भी सब बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं तुम लोगों को. अब नेक्स्ट ईयर हम लोग सारे जब भी मिलेंगे, सारे हमारे एनिवर्सरीज, बर्थडेज तभी सेलिब्रेट होंगे, और एक बड़ी सी पार्टी होगी. खूब मस्ती, फन और पता नहीं क्या क्या.
You are such a lively couple that we feel so happy, so proud that we have such caring and lovely children. Thank you so much.
हमारे घर के बड़ी बहू, बड़ा बेटा. सो रब ने मिलाई जोड़ी, एक शरीफ तो एक मस्तखोरी. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी. Enjoy.
Happy crystal anniversary.
Enjoy your day. Have fun.
Bye. Enjoy your life.
जजी, ये देखो हमारी शादी की फोटोज. टुडे वी हैव कंप्लीटेड 15 इयर्स.
Oh wow. Wow, nice photos. Happy 15 guys. Enjoy your day.